Wow, what a car. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous example. Thrilled to have this in stock at the moment. It is beautiful. Probably one of the best examples for sale in the country at the moment. Audi TT S-Line Black Edition. Absolutely outstanding example. This has got the privacy glass as well, just makes it stand out a little bit more. Facing Daytona Grey Pearl. Just look at it, absolutely gorgeous. 2018 on an 18 plate, 178 brake horsepower, 6-speed manual gearbox. Whatever angle you look at it, it is just beautiful all the way around. Gleaming twin exhaust pipes, rear parking sensors. Good sized boot on these TTs. Benefits from split folding rear seats. Nice and clean in there. Additional storage just under there. Complete toolkit all there. The car is totally unmarked. It is beautiful. No dents, no scratches, no scuffs. It's got these stunning 5-spoke diamond cut alloy wheels with gloss black. None of these have been refurbished by us. This is how the car came in. We've just fitted a brand new set of Hankook tyres, original equipment, all the way around. Just look at those wheels, stunning. All the bodywork. We'll show you a nice close-up to prove to you there is no marks, there's no scratches, there's no dents, there's no scuffs. Vehicle's got headlight power washers too. Just look at it. Great fun car. Part leather and Alcantara sports trim, all unmarked, non-smoker's car, no horrible smells in there. Again, just look at the front seats, all in fabulous condition. Of course, S-Line embossed. Again, the leather Alcantara trim, upgraded Bang & Olufsen stereo system. Keyless start. Air conditioning. Very nifty, those little controls, all built into the air vents. Nice control panel to control telephone, radio, Bluetooth. Nice and easy, nice and simple. All clearly on the dashboard. Just run through, show you exactly, get the stereo perfect. You'll also set it so the faster you go, the louder the music gets, so forth. Great little touch. Mileage of just 23,696. That's what it's done, 23,696. Cruise control. All the dash controls on there. Beautiful multifunction sport steering wheel. Got drive select to get that suspension absolutely perfect for your drive. Individual dynamic automatic comfort, exactly how you'd like it. The rear spoiler, you can put it up, flick of a button, or back down. Comes on automatically at 75 miles an hour and back down at 50 miles an hour. Media input with SD cards, nicely tucked away in the glove box. The car is totally unmarked. It is absolutely gorgeous. Serviced by Audi twice. Lovely flat bottom sport steering wheel. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Just look at it. Absolutely outstanding. We don't believe you'll find a nicer example. Nice, genuine example. 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Great finance, also available direct from ourselves. Check out our HP or PCP deals on our website. Work out your low deposits, your low monthly payments. You can apply direct off the website for your finance too. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. So if you fancy it at 2 o'clock in the morning and don't want anybody else to beat you to it, simply click and reserve this car. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. Specialist Cars based in Stoke-on-Trent, a multi-award winning dealer. We make buying and selling cars a simple, easy, hassle-free process. You can click and collect this vehicle direct from our showrooms or ask about home delivery. Any further information? We're just at the end of the phone. 01782 822 700. If you don't want to miss this beauty, pick the phone up today. 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.